Hello friends, thanks for helping me test this out. I want to record a quick video just going over the UI so there's some direction in what to test for. So what you will see on the top right is the plus button, which is to create a new drawing and it will open itself. Then you have the select one, you can select a drawing and then delete it, or select multiple drawings and delete it. So that should be good. On the iPad and even on the iPhone, you'll see this badge. This tells you how many generation credits you have. For the purposes of testing, you should be able to click on these and the transaction won't charge you at all. So it should be safe to do so. It says for testing purposes only, you will not be charged for confirming purpose. And then you can log in and go ahead with that. So yeah, feel free to buy more credits or get more credits for free if you run out of the credits. Now when you click on a drawing, you will go into the gallery view. In the top bar from the right, you have the color picker. Then you can select a marker or you can select an eraser. The second eraser is actually an object eraser, and let me quickly show you what that is. So what that means is you can erase essentially the entire stroke of the drawing. Then you have a way to show and hide the drawings. So let me go back, pick a color. Let me just draw something real quick. So you can show and hide. This is usually for trying to get a look at what the image is behind the drawings, in case your canvas is filled with drawing. The other option also is to use this. This will change the opacity, so you can quickly peep at or even draw with like a lower opacity. It helps with getting context on what the image is behind the canvas. What you can alternatively do is, so just bring that back. You can click on this one. And I just changed this icon for in the latest build, but when you click on it, it will show you the image on the left and the drawing on the right hand side. So it kind of makes it easier to look at the image and see how it's evolving. So let me draw something ridiculous. Hopefully it shows up. Perfect. So now you can see on the left there's a drawing. You can also hide it and then see there's a rock and then there's the valley in between. So that's good. You can click on this drop down and you'll see some prompts which I have selected. You can pick any of these, just click on it, and then it will also update the drawing based on the prompt, but you can click in here and start typing. So sunny day, and as you type it will continue to update the drawing based on this prompt. On the left hand side you have the same thing which you saw on the home page, which is a way to increase your credits, but you won't be charged, so you can feel free to do so. And then the share icon, when you click on it, it will essentially allow you to share this image, and then here you can go back to the gallery. Perfect. Thanks so much.